We're at Delaware Speedway, get set to go. I think tonight's going to be a good night. Found a lot wrong with the car this week and did lots of updates and stuff. So I don't know where we're going to start in the heat race. I think our 3-week average has gotten pretty bad. So we've been chasing a lot of stuff. This was the first week in like, what, a month that we've been able to actually work on the setup and make the car better rather than fixing stuff. So hoping for a good night here. It's championship night. I think the only two that can win it are Pete Vanderwish and Jay Dewar, so best of luck to them. By the time you watch this, we'll already know who won, so I guess that's kind of useless, but good luck to them. Look, it's the driver of the 28 Super Stuff.
Is this live? We're live?
We're live.
We're live for the people this weekend.
It's live if it's the first time you're watching.
What are you doing here?
I just came to upset everybody. After the wicked,
I'm not upset, I'm happy.
After the wicked hit at here 2 weeks ago and then hitting that Flamborough last week, I woke up Sunday morning, shaved back in the mustache, and tire luck again.
Ooh, that's pretty good. On that note, we're going to go practice now that things are weird. All right, we ran the heat. Where did we start?
Yep, now it's
Sixth.
Ninth on paper.
9th on paper, 6th after people didn't show up.
It's just
Say
freaking
ninth.
straight up there.
Finished third, so I think we'll start third in the feature. Oh boy, it's boner time.
Bone stock of mayhem.
Helped us in points. Since it's championship night, we're trying to get to the top 5 in points here. But I don't know what else to say. We really struggled in the heat. Practice. We really struggled. And then guys from McCall came over and helped us a little bit. Our guys threw a little bit at it. Better. Going in the right direction. And one more week to race here at Delaware. Let's finish her off strong. We're going to thank all of our partners and everyone that have helped us this season. A couple of bad points nights in a season this short relegated us to 6th in points, but you know, I think we've been other than the last couple of races, I think we've been a top 5 car all season, so I can't complain about that. We're going to hopefully finish her off strong here tonight, and then we got one more next week, the Quick Provincial Championship Series. We're right there in points in that one. We can still win the championship in that one, so using tonight is a bit of a test, but also an important night here at Delaware. So let's go feature racing time, rolling off P3. down to say to Pete, I'm sorry you got caught up in another one of Nick Ramsey's messes. It took the championship from him. I don't know what happened down there with him earlier. I felt bad he had to come from the back, but just got Ramsey'd again. Let's put that in the dictionary. I don't know how much orange paint I have on my car from the last 2 years. They don't even send him to the back. I look at him the wrong way, I get sent to the back. So I don't know. Another time he just can't make a clean pass, drives it in there and just hammers me. Great Canadian last year did it to me like lap 2 tonight. He's done it to me another time this year, another time tonight. I'm running out of fingers and toes. I might need to start using yours, start counting up the number of times I've been Ramsey.
While I got you here, aside from that, can you give me a recap on your season this year?
Yeah, we started out really, really, really good. We were top 3 every single night for the first 3-4 races, and then I don't know, just got away from us. We started to struggle a little bit, put in a lot of work trying to get it back. Just the car slipped away a little bit. I don't know